Hi there, welcome on board. I'm Gautam and I'm the founder of Famewall. I'm super excited to have you here using the product. Let me just give you a quick overview of what you can do on Famewall. This you see here is Famewall's dashboard, which contains all your testimonial walls. A testimonial wall is basically a collection of all the testimonials that you can share as a widget on your landing page or share it as a wall of fame page and so on. For instance, this here is a testimonial widget which is embedded on Famewall's landing page. The testimonial widget just blends in with the website and is fully customizable, which will soon be seen. Now let me just show you what an existing testimonial wall looks like. This is Famewall's testimonial wall, and it contains all the testimonials I collected from customers and imported from various sources like Twitter, LinkedIn, and etc. But when you're starting out, it might look different. Let me just show you what it looks like for you. So here is what a testimonial wall would look like when you're just getting started. When you're getting started from scratch, you can either import testimonials from existing sources like from LinkedIn, Twitter, Trustpilot, and so on. Otherwise, you can collect testimonials from scratch. Let's see how it is to import testimonials. You simply click on Add Testimonial button, and you'll be presented with various options like importing from Twitter. All you have to do is simply paste the link to the particular testimonial so that it gets imported directly into your Famewall dashboard. Let me just show you an example. Here is a testimonial. Here is actually a social media praise which I've received from a kind customer. Let me just click on the share button and then click on copy link. And then I head over to Famewall's dashboard and paste the link. And as you can see, the testimonial is now imported directly into Famewall, just with a simple copy paste. Likewise, you can import testimonials from 20 plus sources present here in this model. If you have testimonials in a CSV file, you can choose the bulk import CSV option and map the fields in your CSV with the fields from Famewall to import it in bulk. Also, you can import text testimonials directly using this text testimonial tab by uploading the author's image and the text testimonial fields and so on. And apart from this, to make your job of importing testimonials much easier, there is the Famewall's Chrome extension, which you can find in your homepage here. Once you've installed the extension, it would look something like this. So you simply select the testimonial wall, and then you click on Inspect Element to grab the text from the browser. And as you can see, I'm just getting the testimonial elements without having to write anything. And I give a rating. I click on Save Testimonial. And now when you head over to your Famewall's dashboard, you will be able to find the testimonial imported directly into your dashboard. So this is about importing testimonials into Famewall. Now you might be in a situation where you don't have existing testimonials and you would like to collect testimonials from scratch from your customers. So Famewall's got you covered in that aspect as well. Simply get to the collection page tab, which you can see over here. So this you see here is Famewall's collection page, which you can fully customize, and it will be shared as a separate link with your customers. Now let me show you what Famewall's collection page looks like. And as you can see, here is the Famewall's collection page. And the best part about the collection page is that you can fully customize the collection page with a custom video and add in your messages and change the color of the buttons to suit your branding. Now let me just show you what a testimonial collection page looks like. A testimonial collection page looks something like this. You can share this link with your customers, and your customers will see a personalized page with a custom message directly from you, along with a video which you could record and upload. And so your customers can submit a text testimonial using this send in text button, or a video testimonial by using record a video button. Now let's just head over to Famewall's dashboard And as you saw, we can fully customize this testimonial connection page using the customization settings present in the left panel. You can use the testimonial homepage settings to customize the fields that you would like to present on the homepage and tweak with the different settings present here. And you can also change the questions which you would like to ask your customers when they're recording a video testimonial. And the best part about Famewall's collection page is that your customers don't have to install any software. They can just directly use the link to record a video testimonial right from their mobile or the desktop browser, whichever device they are using. And then comes the fields collection page from which you can collect the text testimonial from customers. It is highly recommended that you use a proven set of questions like what problem your customers had, how did your product help them solve it, and what they liked the most about your product. This template is proven to get more converting testimonials for your business. And then finally, once a customer submits a testimonial, they are greeted with this thank you pop-up. So here you can add your discount codes or coupon codes which you'd like to share to your customers as rewards. But the best thing is you can also upload a thank you video so that your customers feel more personal and happy that they submitted a testimonial, and also recommend your business to their friends and colleagues. Cherry on the cake is that you can customize Famewall's collection page in your own language using this language support and customization setting. Finally, you have the option to present Famewall's collection page on a custom domain. Like in this case, I've used collect.famewall.io. Now that's all about the testimonial connection page. And once a customer submits a testimonial, let me just show you what happens. So in this page, let me just show you what happens when you submit a testimonial. Now I'm just entering a sample testimonial. And let me just give you a simple name. Make it good to go. So this is what happens on the customer's end. Now let's see what happens on Famewall's dashboard. So once a customer has submitted a testimonial, it will appear here in the collected testimonials tab. Now this is the collected testimonials tab. And as you can see, the new testimonial has landed over here in your collected text testimonials. You can simply click on add to wall to approve this testimonial and enable it on your public page. So now the testimonial has been added to all. And here you can see all the other testimonials which I have collected using the Famewall's collection page. Now let's see what happens in your public testimonial wall. So you just simply head over to my testimonials page. So the testimonial has been added to your wall and will be present in your testimonial widget and your testimonial wall of fame page once you publish them. So for the time being, let me just rate this testimonial. Now, similarly, you will also be able to see the collected video testimonials once customers record and submit a video testimonial to you. You can either download the video directly to your local storage, or you can directly add to your testimonial wall. Either ways, it's your choice. So far, we've seen collecting testimonials and importing testimonials into your dashboard. Now comes the important part, just sharing the testimonials with your customers so that you can get increased conversions and sales. So simply head over to the testimonial widget option you can see on the left panel. This will open up the testimonial widget. And as you can see, you can customize the testimonial widget, which will appear directly on your landing page. And you can embed this widget using the embed code on your website. As we saw before on Famewall's landing page, this is the widget which is embedded on the landing page. So you can select the different customization options like the testimonial widget type. And we have a variety of testimonial widgets you can use for Famewall. So this is one particular testimonial widget, which is a simple plain color testimonial. And this is the current testimonial widget I'm using. The best part is that you can also use a variety of different customization options, like hiding the engagement, hiding the date, choosing the text size, and choosing a different font, and so on. So this is all up to you. Once you're done with the testimonial widget, you'll see the option to publish a testimonial widget on the top. Let me just unpublish this to show you how it appears. So you can click on Publish Widget to publish your testimonial widget, and you'll be presented with the embed code. You simply copy this code and add it to your website. So there are a lot of integration guides present here. You can choose one which is most suitable for your website. Or if you're facing any difficulty integrating it with your website, feel free to contact the support chat over here, and I'll be super happy to help you out. And then there are the different widget settings like enabling pagination or enabling the review banner, as you can see in this image. Feel free to tinker with these settings and see the preview to see what sort of change the customization grid setting brings in. So testimonial widget is one way of sharing your testimonials. Another way is to share your testimonials on a standalone page with testimonials and a call to action. Let me just show you the Wall of Fame page which I'm talking about. So this here you see is the Wall of Fame page. The difference is that this is presented on a separate standalone page. Let me just show you a sample Wall of Fame page. So a Wall of Fame page appears with separate settings of the testimonials, and it appears as a standalone page with a custom call to action on top. Customers can also send you a quick testimonial using this option here. And just as we saw before, this page too is fully customizable. Now, apart from this, you can also sort your testimonials and rearrange them so that in the order you see fit. For example, just head over to my testimonials page and click and drop the testimonial so that you can rearrange the testimonials as you see fit in the order, and this order would appear in your testimonial widget and testimonial walls. So as you can see, I'm just rearranging the testimonials. And apart from that, there is another option to share your testimonials. You can generate an image using the testimonial by selecting a custom background or changing the background colors and so on. You can download images for different social media stories or your emails and so on. And apart from this, you can also highlight the text present in your testimonials so that customers get the most important points to be noted when they're making a purchasing decision on your landing page. So simply select over the text and click on bold to highlight the text and click on save highlight to save the highlights. And then you can also share a single testimonials with your customers. This is especially useful when it comes to sharing testimonials in an email. For example, you can share a single testimonial on your email as a link to show social proof. So you can share single testimonials with your customers on emails, social media, and so on. Simply click on share and then click on copy link. You can also embed the testimonial as using the code you see here. So now just let me just paste the single testimonials link, and your customers will see the same animation as they see here. And now I've covered most of the important features of Famewall. Let's just check out some other cool features of Famewall. For example, here are the social proof avatars. And you can add images of prominent people using your product to showcase the social proof. You can use these social proof avatars as widgets on your website. And you can also organize testimonials using the testimonial organizer. And you can simply add categories to your testimonials, search the testimonial with the name, and move the testimonials between different walls without having to again import or create them. So for that purpose, you can use select testimonial walls and then move the testimonial to the desired walls. And then there's a team feature which you can use to invite your team members into Famewall to collectively manage social proof and share them. You can send an invitation to your team members using their email, and they'll get a notification to be added as a team member into Famewall. And then there's the automation tab. So there is Zapier here, using which you can set up custom automations like sending a gift card or a discount code when someone sends you a video testimonial, sending a thank you email to your customer when they submit a testimonial, and so on. And there are also webhooks which you can use to receive important event updates as customers submit a testimonial or new approved testimonials, or when a team member approves testimonials in your dashboard. And then if you have any more doubts, there is the help center over here, which should answer most of your questions. Or if you still have any questions unresolved, feel free to click on this chat widget over here and ask any question. I'd be super happy to help you out in this chat. And apart from this, there is also an affiliate program on Famewall, which you can access using this particular button on the left panel. So as I mentioned, I'd be super happy to help you out if you have any questions. So don't hesitate to ask me any questions in the chat widget below. I can't wait for you to get started using testimonials and build social proof for your website to increase your website conversions and sales. And feel free to let me know if you have any feedback or suggestions. That's it for now. See you next time. Bye.